Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to use tool is called Stitch that is being developed by Google, and they have just released it today. And with the help of this tool, we will design an amazing interface for our application. Current interface of our application is this. You can see it's very simple interface with not a good color palettes, but we are going to make it more better. But before this, we are going to use this tool to first develop UI UX of our application, a design, and then we will implement it in our app. So, and I'm gonna give it a prompt that I have just written. Let me show you that as well. Let me copy, and I'm gonna paste over here, and the prompt is simply design a web app UI for GenAI ablation framework, a tool for testing reg application pipelines, embedding models. I have told it a color palette that I want it for background, primary, secondary, muted, and something like that. And these are the, I have also told it that we need pricing page, sign up, sign in pages, and everything, and call to actions as well and all. So I will add this prompt in the description of this link, and I'm gonna give it to the model. And then I don't want app, I actually want web. So yeah, let it work, and it is designing. Till then, we are gonna learn about Stitch more in detail. They have also MCP server, which we can, I guess, utilize in our cursor, and we can utilize it in VS Code as well. You can see they have provided the implementation to use it in cursor as well, and anti-gravity. Yeah, that is something they are providing. You can also use this extension in cloud code, and yeah, that is something amazing they are providing it as well. Use with AI SDK. Okay, so they are providing an amazing capabilities. Even you can use this documentation to build your own app like Stitch. So it is just designing my web interface. I will need to wait, I guess. So it is asking me now, would you like to provide me proceed with the generating these screens? I will say yes. Okay, let's see. Got it. I will come back later. So it has just started designing. So my designs are just ready, and you can see the design, the prompt that I given it, and it has designed the interface like that. The hook that I told it and the color palettes that I provided it, it has done same kind of thing. It has provided me 4 screens. One is for sign in, and then we have a screen for create account as well. Okay, and then we have an screen for pricing, right? I told it that I need one free and one pro and second one enterprise level, and the third is the main dashboard. Okay, that is something it has given me. It seems amazing. It is just first prompt that I have given it. I have not done any iteration or redesigning till. That is the output of first prompt and first input, I would say, first hook. Further, we can do an amazing prompting, and we can do uh, further redesigning over here, and we might get an amazing output, I guess.